Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your data is tidy. Headers in the first row, consistent units, and no stray text cells. Once done, select the exact range and go to Insert and choose a chart type. This initial choice frames interpretation, so match line for trends and bar for comparisons. Make sure to include axis labels now so formatting steps later are faster. You'll see the chart appear on the sheet. That's your canvas for the next refinements. Now focus on clarity. Adjust axes so scales reflect meaningful bounds and avoid misleading zero omissions. You should right-click an axis and set min/max and major unit for readable tick marks. Once adjusted, use Select Data to reorder or add series, which affects stacking and comparison. Apply Format Data Series to tune gap width, marker style, or secondary axis when scales differ. These changes improve perception. Finish by adding chart elements that guide interpretation: a concise title, clear legend placement, and selective data labels. Once placed, use the Format pane to standardize fonts and colors so contrast meets accessibility needs and the visual hierarchy is obvious. If you'll reuse the style, save as a chart template. If something looks wrong, check source ranges and hidden rows. If values disappear, make sure series refer to absolute cell references instead of relative ones to avoid accidental breakage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.